Hey guys, before watching this videos must read this disclaimer. Hey beginners, the main 3 things you should know about while using your device, your privacy. Outer attacks and speed issues we facing. There are so many devices option you have, but if you want to increase your privacy, VPN is the best solution ever. But the problem is there are so many VPN service providers are available in the VPN world and they promise you to save you from the all type of outer attacks, but not all are same. So in this video, we mention all trustworthy VPNs for all devices, with best features quality. We start with first, that is, Surshark. Surshark is most reasonable VPN service in the market. Surshark is limited budget VPN service provider but with premium features. As you can see on your screen, 4 best features they have, why 6 you need while using your device. Let's start with the first features, that is, high security. Excellent speed. Change your current location. Unlimited devices connection at same time. Now, let's talk about the second VPN, that is IPVanish. Through IPVanish you can connect unlimited devices at same time with same account. It is best and easy way to unblock all the geo-restricted sites and applications in just one click, because it can easily change your IP location. As you know, unlimited device option. Maintain your speed good. And cashback guarantee when you not like it. Now if you want more trustworthy VPN, go with the ExpressVPN service. The main goal of ExpressVPN provider is users' privacy, which is very important. The reason why it is good, because it has split tunneling features. You can connect 5 devices with them. Automatically kill switch. And no activity logs. Most knowing VPN service provider in the market and most recommended one. The next and last VPN we mention in this video is CyberGhost VPN. There are so many users who have great experiences with their service because it has automatic kill switch option, high downloading speed, unblock contents, and DNS leak protection. To know more about this service, go with given link.